guys? Nate Vlog here, and today we're gonna try the Red Baron French bread pepperoni pizza right here, guys. Yo, check this out. Wow. Okay, so first off, I want to tell you that I'm not a fan of frozen pizza at all. It just doesn't taste right, you know? It's just not where it's at. Except the only one is Red Baron. Yeah, because you know why? It's thin crust, and it's just good. All right, you know, all the other ones, it's just, you know, you're eating frozen pizza, okay? And it's not what I dig, okay? Especially for one that loves the brick oven pizza. I mean, okay, so but this one is on French bread. So anyways, let's figure out what we need to do so you guys don't need to. Here we go. So preheat oven. Oh wait, there's two options. The oven, of course, what we're going to do, and microwave, then oven. So preheat oven at 375. Remove pizzas from carton plastic wrap, place on baking sheet. And it comes in two, of course. Real cheese, excellent source of protein, good source of calcium. Wow, pizza, huh? 20 to 23 minutes. All right. And the other one is a microwave then oven. So, oh, 425. Oh, big difference. Microwave on a high for 1 minute. All right, well, let's get to the kitchen, guys. Here we go. So we're only going to do one, so let's get this open, huh? Come on, the pepperoni doing on one side. What's going on here? Ah, jeez. Okay, let's fix this. There we go. That looks a lot better now. Pepperoni everywhere. All right, let's get this in the oven. All right. In the oven, preheated to, what's going on here? 375. There it is. All right, and we'll set the timer. Timer to, what was it? 23 minutes. All right, let's check this out. That looks pretty good, actually. Wow. A little crusty on the back, but that's okay. Yeah, look at that. All right, let's take this back out there. Let's take one more look at it. All right. Ooh, cheese is golden brown on the sides. A little crisp back here, like I said. Yeah. A little oily. Got the Red Bull here, got the drink, right? Always need the drink. Breakfast time, right? Gotta get the energy. And yeah. French bread. Ooh, you hear that? Is that good? Or do we need it softer? Let's dig in. Cheers, everybody. Wow, that's bread, all right. Tasting a lot of the bread. That's hot. I said that's hot, so what do? Take another bite, really? Ah, burned my whole mouth. You know, besides getting burnt, it's actually not bad. Now this is what I call a good snack. Not a meal, a snack. Only 23 minutes in the oven. You got yourself a fine little treat here. I'm looking here. The price that we got this is $4.31. Is that really right? Did I really pay $4.31 for two of these? If so, that's a really good deal. See, now I agree on that. That's good. Only $4 for this? Is that possible? Remember, it comes in two. One, and we got two in the freezer still. Marinara sauce is killing me. Oh my gosh. Just burnt my lip. try this pepperoni. Outside is good. Getting that crisp taste to it. A little spicy. Yeah, I gotta say. This is a solid snack. Eight out of 10. Just remember, let it cool down, because right out of the oven, yeah, you're gonna end up like me. God. When was the last time you saw me with a Red Bull? I know. Trust me, I drink this every single day. So Red Bull, if you're ever watching, trust me, I'm always supporting, always. Okay, here we go, last bite. Now remember, you can get this pretty much everywhere. Target, Ralph's, Walmart, wherever, it's there. I don't know about Whole Foods though, they probably got their own thing going. But if you got the money, yeah, upgrade I guess. But it's nothing wrong with that one, I gotta say. That was good. Alright, anyways, Nate Vlogs signing out here, and if you want to hit up my PayPal description down below to support my channel all the way, because like I said, we're going to the top of the top with these videos. Stay tuned. Red Bull always. Alright, we'll see ya. Thumbs it up on this product. Alright, Red Baron French bread pizza. Very good. Bye bye.